Changing your username on TripAdvisor is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log in using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or username at the top right corner of the page to access the drop-down menu. Select account settings from the options provided. Step 3. Navigate to username change. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled profile or username. Click on it to find the option to change your username. Step 4. Enter your username. Type in your desired new username. Make sure it follows TripAdvisor's guidelines for usernames, which typically include restrictions on special characters and length. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. Now you can enjoy using your new username on TripAdvisor. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TripAdvisor support for assistance.